age of Die with Zero is simple but powerful. The goal isn't to die with the biggest bank account. The goal is to use your money at the right time to create the best life possible. Bill Perkins argues that many people spend their entire lives saving money only to reach old age with plenty of wealth but not enough health, energy, or time to truly enjoy it. Money is valuable only if you use it when it can improve your life the most. Chapter 1. Optimize your life, not your bank account. Most people focus on growing their bank balance. But according to Perkins, your real goal should be to maximize your life, not your savings. Instead of asking, how much money do I have? Ask yourself, am I creating unforgettable memories? Am I spending quality time with the people I love? Am I living the life I've always wanted? Key lesson, money is a tool, not the destination. Chapter 2, time is more valuable than money. Every stage of life offers different opportunities. In your 20s and 30s, you have the most energy. You're more willing to take risks. It's the perfect time to explore and learn. In your 40s and 50s, your income is usually at its highest. Family and career responsibilities also increase. After 60, you may have more money, but your health and physical ability often begin to decline. Some experiences simply can't be postponed without losing their value. Chapter 3, invest in experiences. Perkins believes experiences are more valuable than possessions. A luxury car may excite you for a few months, but experiences like traveling the world, family vacations, adventures with friends can create memories that last a lifetime. Chapter 4, memory dividends. One of the book's most unique ideas is the concept of memory dividends. Every great experience continues paying you back because you can relive those memories again and again for years. Great memories are investments that keep producing happiness long after the moment has passed. Chapter 5, health is your greatest asset. Money loses much of its value if your health prevents you from enjoying life. That's why investing in regular exercise, healthy food, quality sleep is one of the smartest financial decisions you can make. Your health determines how much you can truly enjoy your wealth. Chapter 6, know your peak earning years. Most people experience a period when they earn the most money. During those years, save wisely, invest consistently, but don't spend every year preparing for a future that may never arrive. Financial security matters, but so does living your life today. Chapter 7, give money earlier. If you want to help your children or loved ones, don't wait until you're gone. Helping them in their 30s or 40s can have a much greater impact than leaving them a large inheritance decades later. Money creates the most value when people need it the most. Chapter 8, don't die rich. Perkins challenges one of society's biggest beliefs. If you leave behind far more money than you ever needed, it may mean you missed opportunities to enjoy your own life. The goal isn't to die rich. The goal is to live well. Chapter 9, balance, saving and spending. The book doesn't encourage reckless spending. It also doesn't encourage saving every dollar. Instead, Perkins recommends finding a healthy balance. Save for the future. Enjoy the present. Spend intentionally on meaningful experiences. Chapter 10, think in life buckets. Divide your life into different stages. 20-30. Learn, explore, and build experiences. 30-45. Focus on earning, investing, and growing your career. 45-60. Enjoy time with family and spend more on meaningful experiences. 60+. Focus on health, relationships, and living a fulfilling life. Every stage of life requires a different financial strategy. Biggest lessons: money is meant to improve your life, not simply sit in a bank account. Buy experiences while you're still able to enjoy them. Your health is your greatest investment. Memories continue paying dividends for the rest of your life. Dying with the most money isn't the ultimate goal. Find the right balance between saving and spending. Time is more valuable than money. Use your wealth to create a life you'll never regret. Final takeaway. Die with Zero is not telling you to spend everything you own. Instead, it teaches you to spend your money intentionally at the right time while you still have the health, energy, and opportunity to enjoy it. The true measure of wealth isn't how much money you leave behind. It's how fully you lived while you were here.